Okay, I have a very quick tutorial to make by request. Thank you for making the request in the comments section of this channel. So the request is, how can you make it so that coins, gold, are left when you die? And so we're going to go ahead and die. So I've got a down here. So there I'm dead. And there is a coin there. So we'll respawn. And we'll go take a quick look, and we'll get in and get out. And you can see I now have 3 gold coins. So that's easy. Let's go take a look at how I did it. Okay, inside of UEFN, I've got this weird sort of testing environment that I use for all kinds of weird things. We've got a radio in here, we've got the gold coins, the lava. I think we did this in a past tutorial here. But the gold coins are simple. You just use a gold coin. If you look down inside of Fortnite here and go gold, then it will show a gold coin thing. So this little spawner, and you can hide the spawner, but I just haven't done that now. So the gold coin shows up and you can set all of its spawn cube. It doesn't really matter. The fact of the matter is we can just get gold coins, and now we just have to figure out how to drop them when we die. And that is absolutely no problem. The way to make sure that they drop when you die is to go into island settings, number 1, and search for resource inside of the details of the island settings, and make sure you don't have infinite resources on, otherwise this won't work. And then we just look for drop, and the allow item drop is selected, and eliminated players items is set to drop, not keep or delete. And if you do that, everything that the player has will drop. And actually, you probably don't need allow item drop. Maybe you do. I put it on anyways. But this will then have your coins drop when you die, and then somebody else can pick them up. And that's it. Really easy, isn't it? Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.